My life is the future. Hello, my name is Francisco Javier Malaver. Will you work at night? Yes, I will work at night the other meal because I have fish chain. Will you work on weekends? Yes, I will work the next weekends because we will have inventory in the company. What are you going to work the future? I am going to work next year as a forklift and I am finish my students. I will become a logistic assistant. Are you going to work in the another country? I'm not going to work in another country. Will you have your own company? Yes, I will have my own company in the future with my family.